Hi guys, welcome back to the mirror table. Today we are doing another designer DIY. So today we're going to do Balenciaga. So it's these Balenciaga jeans that are really cool grungy street style that I really want to copy. They're really cool. So I'm going to show you guys up on the screen and take a look at them. They're quite pricey, but I think we can DIY them and make them look just as good. So I love Balenciaga street style. They just do fun, fun fashionable style. So I'm gonna kind of take this inspiration from the Balenciaga jeans and create my own pair, and also create a street style shirt to go with it. Some kind of cute little wordy tee like they have in this picture right here. And stay tuned. Seems like it should be a pretty easy DIY, depending on the pair of jeans that I find to do this. So it looks like it's just gonna do some cuts and maybe minimal sewing, but let's go find some jeans and see what I have to work with that's in my closet, and let's see.
So I ended up going thrifting and I found two pair of jeans. This is one pair that I found. They're oversized, but not quite as much. They're tapered in the bottom. I needed something a little more wide leg. They do fit rather loose, but I need to put another pair of pants underneath, so I don't think these are really gonna work. So let's see if we can find another pair. So the next pair I found are a pair of oversized Levi's. These are really great. They are way oversized. The legs are like boot cut, so nice wide leg, just really baggy, but they're way oversized. So I'm gonna have to do something with the waistline. So alterations is gonna be required. So let's get started and let's rip these jeans apart. So I took the waistband off and I took the jeans apart from the sides and the back so we can reshape the jeans so I can have a nice waistline. That way the jeans will have a better fit and they won't fall off. So we're gonna get started on that. And before I sew everything together, we are going to cut the jeans. So this part is very important. So just look at the way that I cut them. I cut them in a way that will look like they have been ripped, like they've ripped apart. So I cut U shapes from the outer edge of the jeans into like the center of the jeans, and I did about 5, maybe 6 U shapes going down each side of the jeans. And I want the jeans to drape down to look like you just took the jean and ripped them, tried to rip them down. So once these cuts are made, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the sewing machine, and I am going to finish the waistband and then get the jeans ready for the next step, and that will be figuring out how I'm gonna put the camo pants inside of the jeans. Also thrifted the pair of camos that I found, and here I'm just going to kind of play with them to see how it's going to look, because I'm trying to figure this out before I sew everything together. So I'm just gonna stuff the camo pants inside of the jeans and kind of get an idea of how I'm gonna do this. So what I ended up doing is I cut the legs off of the camo pants, and I'm going to use the top part of those camo pants for another DIY project. I removed the pockets from the camo pants and I prepped the pants so that I could sew them into the jeans and create a better fit. But before I sew them up, I think I should try them on first. So I am going to put these on and see how things are going. So this is how they look so far. I have everything all pinned, the legs are in, and the waistband, everything is pinned and ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and finally get these sewn up, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna make a DIY top. I sewed the pants, and now I'm going to throw them in the washer so they can get them nice and ripped and torn, frayed looking. Now it's time to make the top. So I found this t-shirt. It's a vintage t-shirt. It was ripped and kind of shredded, and I love the wordy graphics on the front. And what I did is I cut the bottom off in a kind of asymmetrical pattern, and that's because the t-shirt was really just shredded. But I love the graphic more than anything, but it was really shredded, so I had to just kind of cut where the holes were. And I am going to put some shoulder pads so it'll be kind of padded on the top. And in the areas where you see the holes, I'm gonna have to wear a tank top underneath. I do have a really cute neon color tank top that I'm going to wear under it to complete this look. And I thought it turned out really nice. I hope you're still with me because this is gonna be fire. And subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And this is how the top turned out, and let's see the final look.
Kinda got you feeling wavy. Way too early to be hazy. Start a 10 job cause you fucking crazy.